Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW M5 versus the Cadillac CT5 Blackwing. We'll start by examining their raw power. The M5, with its hybrid powertrain, produces an impressive 717 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque. The CT5 Blackwing counters with a supercharged V8, offering 668 horsepower and 659 pound-feet of torque. Both cars are incredibly quick, hitting 60 miles per hour in under 3.5 seconds. Moving inside, both sedans offer a blend of luxury and cutting-edge technology. The BMW M5 presents a curved display, combining a 12.3-inch instrument cluster with a 14.9-inch central screen. The Cadillac CT5 Blackwing features an expansive 33.0-inch curved display, integrating its Google-based infotainment system. Both vehicles provide sophisticated driver assist features and high-end sound systems for an elevated experience. When considering value, the BMW M5 has a starting price of about $123,275. The Cadillac CT5 Blackwing is more accessible, beginning at approximately $99,190. A key differentiator is the Blackwing's standard 6-speed manual transmission, a rare offering in this segment that appeals strongly to driving purists seeking maximum engagement. On the road, the BMW M5, with its all-wheel drive and adaptive M suspension, delivers a refined and incredibly capable driving experience, managing its substantial weight with impressive agility. The Cadillac CT5 Blackwing, lighter and rear-wheel drive, is celebrated for its raw driver engagement and precise magnetic ride control 4.0. It offers a more visceral, hooligan-like thrill. For those who prioritize a connected, analog feel, the Blackwing shines. Check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.